can see people in there. Don't pretend you don't know I'm here. That's rude. I can see the food. Oh yeah, well that's real mature. Try and scare the poor kid. Well, you know what I think? Now I was gonna buy something for $4, but now I'm just buying a drink. I was like in the car with my mom, and then I told her she looks fat in her uniform. Then she dropped me off, and this was the first place I could find. I just want food. That's why I can't lift this thing. It's 68 pounds. Is 68 pounds a lot? I don't know.